How to use Canva to make money online. Today's tip is pretty simple and is to create something what your customers or audience needs. So what is it that your customer desperately needs? What would help them to solve their problems? Depending on the niche, think about it and create a material in Canva to solve their biggest problems. Are you a coach? Create mindfulness journal. Are you a language teacher? Create a webinar that will help your students with their pronunciation. Are you a beautician? Create a PDF with tips how to look after your skin and prevent aging. It's like me, I've created this social media mega pack of 80 templates, so you've got in one pack 80 templates for all your social media online business for launching new product and service. And why I did it? Because I needed something like that. Every time I create something new, I have to create visuals for ads, for Pinterest, for Instagram. And I was tired and fed up with that. So I thought this could be really good for my customers as well. So I was thinking what would help my customer. And this is something that would save them hours and hours of time when they're launching their new products. Therefore, sit down, write it down, think about all the issues and problems your ideal customer have and create some material in Canva to help them solve this problem. It could be PDF, it could be presentation, it could be video, webinar, whatever you can think of. And then sell it online. And if you need to save your time when you're launching this product or service, check my social media mega pack. It might help you to save a